Hello to all of the students. Students, I welcome you for today's lecture, which is related to the topic from organic chemistry. One of the most important name reaction from organic chemistry, that is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction and its mechanism. Students, this Friedel-Crafts reaction and its mechanism has great importance in organic chemistry. For that, before starting Friedel-Crafts reaction, you have to see about the catalyst that is used in Friedel-Crafts reaction. The catalyst used in Friedel-Crafts reaction is anhydrous AlCl3 because AlCl3 is electron deficient species. Therefore, it has a tendency to accept a pair of electron. Therefore, when aromatic compound combines with alkylating agent or acylating agent in Friedel-Crafts reaction, the halogen with lone pair of electron is abstracted by AlCl3. Mostly chlorides are used. Therefore, halogen chloride with pair of electron is accepted by AlCl3 and it get converted into AlCl4. Let us see what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The Friedel-Crafts alkylation is a reaction in which the hydrogen is removed from aromatic ring and it is substituted by alkyl group. That means hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. And this reaction I already told you that the reaction takes place in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Also, this anhydrous aluminum chloride you use in this reaction, you can also replace this by any other Lewis acids like ferric chloride FeCl3 also. Now let us see what is Friedel-Crafts reaction. The Friedel-Crafts reaction is a reaction in which aromatic compound undergo alkylation or acylation, in which in alkylation hydrogen from benzene ring is substituted by alkyl group, that is R. In acylation, hydrogen of aromatic ring is substituted by RCO, but the bonding is between carbon of C double bond O of RCO takes place. During this process, one of the carbon from aromatic ring get bonded with the carbon of alkyl group or acetyl group. Now in Friedel-Crafts reaction, which reagents are used and which conditions should be maintained, you can see on a screen. Benzene is to be reacted with alkyl chloride like methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, propyl chloride. It needs halogen carrier like AlCl3 and anhydrous condition should be maintained during the reaction. Therefore, when benzene is reacted with alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives to the formation of alkyl benzene. During this process, hydrogen is given out from aromatic ring and this hydrogen with Cl forms HCl as a byproduct. And position of hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group from alkyl halide. During this reaction, the alkyl halide used, it must be typically chloride, bromide or iodide. Lewis acid, instead of we use FeCl3ZnCl4. And during this reaction, carbocation rearrangements can takes place. But for Friedel-Crafts alkylation, the reagents like alkynyl halides are not used in Friedel-Crafts alkylation because it does not work for Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Let us see some of the example. When aromatic compound, here benzene, is reacted with methyl chloride in presence of aluminum chloride as a catalyst under anhydrous condition, one of the hydrogen present on a carbon of aromatic ring is replaced by CH3. That means it is electrophilic substitution type of reaction, because hydrogen, that is proton, is substituted by methyl group. Methyl group carbon is positively charged carbon. Therefore, this is electrophilic substitution type of reaction, during which as methyl group get bonded with carbon of aromatic ring, there is formation of carbon-carbon bond during this reaction. So in the similar way, the C2H5 get bonded with carbon of aromatic ring, in which again hydrogen from the carbon is replaced by C2H5 and HCl is given out in presence of AlCl3 under anhydrous conditions. Now let us see about the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In mechanism, the step 1 involves the formation of carbocation. During this step, a carbocation is created. While creating or formation of this carbocation, which act as an electrophile here, which gives rise in the formation of step 1, RCH2X, that means alkyl halide, with MX3, it will be AlCl3 or it may be also FeCl3, the electron deficient species. Now this primary alkyl halide with MX3, that means AlCl3 or FeCl3, you can see that this halogen shares its pair of electron with this metal of AlCl3 or FeCl3, and there is a formation of bond like this. In such a way, RCH2X MX3 is formed, and also you can see that there is a positive charge on carbon. In second step, you can see that the pi electrons from the benzene ring are shared with the electrophile to form resonance stabilized alkyl benzenium ion. Now let us see how it is formed. During this process, in aromatic ring, in benzene, all the carbons are bonded with one hydrogen. Any one of the carbon with hydrogen, see here, it is present, hydrogen is present at carbon. Now, this electrophile RCH2X MX3, the positively charged electrophile RCH2 get bonded with the carbon of the aromatic ring. In this step, there is formation of carbon-carbon bond. It gives rise to another resonance stabilized structure. During this process, you can see that these pi electrons, that means carbon-carbon double bond which is present here, one is pi bond, another is sigma bond. This pi bond breaks down, double bond get converted into single bond. That pi electrons are used to form a bond between carbon from that electrophile RCS2 and the carbon of the aromatic ring. Thus there is formation of carbon-carbon bond by using pi electrons from the aromatic ring. In such a way, resonance stabilized alkyl benzenium ion is formed. In the last step, student, you can see that to consider the last step or to complete the last step, let us see again the step 2. The end of the step 2, you can see that here the hydrogen that was already present at that carbon atom, that hydrogen is abstracted by this halogen. That means hydrogen is removed. After removal of this hydrogen, the electron get transferred to here. Again there is formation of carbon-carbon double bond between these aromatic carbons which are present in the ring. Hydrogen is given out, and with halogen it form a product HX, which is removed as a byproduct. And also, students, you can see that what remains after that, HX is given out and remains MX3, and MX3 is again regenerated at the last step, which was used in the first step, that was AlCl3 or ApCl3, but generally here it is written as MX3. After completing, you can get HX plus MX3 plus alkyl benzene like this. In such a way, students, the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation takes place. That mechanism was general mechanism, but here you can see the mechanism with the help of one of the example. Benzene is to be reacted with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives to the formation of methyl benzene. In step 1, electrophile is formed, the bond between CCl breaks down, and this halogen with the help of pair of electron get bonded with AlCl3, which gives rise to the formation of AlCl4. As electrons efficient species Cl is added to AlCl3 and get converted into AlCl4, AlCl4 now get negative charge, and same amount of positive charge automatically develop on the carbon of CS3. In such a way, methyl carbocation is formed, which acts as a electrophile. This electrophile now, by using the pi electrons from the benzene ring, it get attaches to the benzene ring like this to form resonance stabilized pi complex. In the last step, now this hydrogen is abstracted by Cl to form HCl, and AlCl3 is given out, and here remains only CS3. In such a way, methyl benzene is formed during the mechanism. After that, let us see about the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. It is the reaction in which arenes, that means aromatic compounds, but only arenes with acyl chlorides or anhydrides using strong Lewis acid gives a corresponding product. This reaction also proceeds through electrophilic aromatic substitution to form monoacylated products. Now let us see what reagents and conditions are used during Friedel-Crafts acylation. Alkyl chloride, acyl chlorides are used. RCOCl, halogen carrier is needed. AlCl3, again here similarly as previous in alkylation, anhydrous condition should be maintained. You can see when benzene reacts with RCOCl, acyl chloride, under the condition anhydrous AlCl3 gives rise to the formation of corresponding product. During this you can see that the hydrogen is replaced by RCO, but when the formation of carbon-carbon bond takes place, the carbon of C double bond O of acyl group get bonded with carbon of aromatic ring. Here you can see that again bonds form are CC bond, and bonds which are broken, that is CH and CX bond, are break. CH bond from aromatic ring and CX bond from acyl chloride is break, and mostly halogen, that is X, is Cl, Br or I, and the acyl group which is replaced by hydrogen or hydrogen from aromatic ring is substituted by acyl group is RCO. Generally it is written like this. Instead of this acyl chlorides you can also use anhydrides like acetic anhydride, propionyl anhydrides also. Let us see some of the example of Friedel-Crafts acylation. Benzene with acetyl chloride CH3COCl in presence of AlCl3 as a catalyst under anhydrous condition gives rise to the formation of acetyl benzene. You can see that the hydrogen from this position is substituted by CH3CO, where bonding is between carbonyl carbon of acetyl group and the carbon of aromatic ring. The similar reaction is also takes place between propionyl chloride. Now let us see the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation. In the first step, you can see that how it takes place. RC double bond OCl, it is written like this. Acylium ion formation takes place. This is the most important step to undergo the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation. During this step, acylium ion formation takes place, in which you can see that this is RC double bond OCl, acyl chloride, and this is the AlCl3. This AlCl3 get bonded with Cl, that means there is formation of bond between Al of AlCl3 and Cl from acyl chloride, because excess of electron pair is present on Cl. With the help of that electron pair, Cl from acyl chloride get bonded with aluminium of AlCl3. After that, AlCl4 is given out and there is formation of Sc double bond O. After removal of AlCl4, what remains there? Rc double bond O. This Rc double bond O is acylium ion. In such a way, there is formation of acylium ion takes place. This acylium ion is actually resonance stabilized. Therefore, it is written like this on a screen here. You can see Rc double bond O. Here carbon carries positive charge, but if electron from oxygen is get transferred to C double bond O, C double bond O get converted to triple bond, and positive charge in other resonance stabilized structure is carried by oxygen here. In such a way, first step is completed here, which is formation of acylium ion. In the next step, there is a formation of carbon-carbon bond. A carbon from acylium ion, a carbon from C double bond O of acylium ion, and the carbon of aromatic ring get bonded by using the pi electrons of aromatic ring. This double bond is converted into single bond, you can see. And this, when convert this double bond in single bond, this pi electron, the pi bonds break and pi electrons are shared with this carbon atom. This carbon of aromatic ring shared pi electrons with this carbon atom to form carbon-carbon bond like this. In such a way, acylium ion with the help of carbon of C double bond O get bonded with carbon of benzene here. This is sigma complex, that is known as acyl benzenium intermediate. In the next step, after formation of carbon-carbon bond, this AlCl4 now again plays its important role in third step of mechanism. This is the deprotonation type of step in which hydrogen from the intermediate is given out. Let us see how hydrogen is abstracted, but this hydrogen is abstracted by the chlorine from AlCl4 to form HCl as a byproduct. After removing one of the Cl from AlCl4, it gets converted into AlCl3. And what remains here? Rc double bond O, which is bonded with benzene through carbon of C double bond O. In such a way, the desirable product is obtained. In the step 3 of the mechanism of the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now students, in such a way, today you see what is Friedel-Crafts reaction, the two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation and acylation, which catalyst is used, which type of bonds are broken, and which type of bonds are formed during Friedel-Crafts reaction. Also, you see the mechanism of both the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation also.